Welcome! Today I will show you how to create your online cake shop in just 10 minutes. And the best part is that you don't need any coding skills. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the free Mobirise website builder using the link in the description below. Once you've installed Mobirise, open the app and head to the Extensions section. Here you'll need to download the premium theme called Flavor M5. After installing the theme, go to the Sites tab and click Create New Site. You'll see an option to either choose a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll be starting from scratch. Now, let's build our site. Click the plus sign to open the block menu. You can choose from over 25 blocks designed specifically for this theme, or add new blocks from the extensive Mobirise library. Blocks are categorized, making it easy to find what you need. Drag and drop the blocks into your site layout. Arrange and customize them to fit your vision. Click the block to edit. On the right, you'll see a gear icon. This is the block settings menu. Here you can adjust the padding, block width, and background color, and turn headers and buttons on or off. You can edit text just like in any text editor. Change images. Adding links is just as easy. Click on a button or menu item, select the link icon from the drop-down menu, and choose whether you want to link to another page, a block on your site, an external website, your email, phone number, a downloadable file, or an online order form. You can rearrange blocks by clicking the arrow icon in the drop-down menu on the right. Remember to check how your site looks on mobile. Click the Mobile View button at the top of the screen. On the Pages tab, you can add and clone pages to the site. At the top right corner, you'll find a Publish button. From there, you can select how you want to upload your site, locally to our hosting or via FTP. The Flavor M5 theme is a premium theme included in the Mobirise kit, which gives you access to over 200 themes, 10,000 customizable blocks, a code editor, social media widgets, and an AI site generator. And that's it. You've just created your online cake shop in minutes without coding. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy baking and happy selling!